Sapphire Wipe Transition. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening the Windows search bar, typing After Effects, and launching the program once it appears. When After Effects opens, create a new workspace by selecting New Composition. After the composition is ready, move to the project bar on the left side, right-click it, and choose Import, then select File. Pick the footage you want to use and import it. Once the footage appears in the project panel, drag and drop it into the timeline so it becomes the main layer of your composition. With the footage in place, go to the Effects and Presets panel, click the search bar at the top, and type S_wipe line. After locating the effect, drag and drop it directly onto your footage layer to apply it. Now move to the Effect Controls panel where all the S_wipe line settings are listed. Find the angle setting and change it to whatever direction you want your transition to move in, such as 0 degrees if you want a simple horizontal wipe. After adjusting the angle, go to the wipe % setting. Turn on the keyframe animation by clicking the stopwatch icon, and set the first keyframe value to 100%, which means the wipe is fully covering the footage. Then move forward a few frames in the timeline, and set the second keyframe to 0% so the wipe completes the transition. After both keyframes are set, select them together, right-click, and choose Keyframe Assistant from the menu that appears. Inside that menu, choose Easy Ease to smooth out the motion and make the transition feel more controlled. Once the easing is applied, open the graph editor at the top of the timeline. Here you can adjust the speed graph to get the exact motion style you want. You can shape the curve like the example given to you, or adjust it however you need, depending on how fast or slow you want the wipe to move. When the curve looks right, click the graph editor icon again to exit back to the normal timeline view. From there, press the space bar to preview the animation and check if the transition moves smoothly. If needed, go back and fine-tune any settings like angle, timing, or easing until the transition looks perfect for your project.